Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Oh, Hoon.
Mr. Oh, you sound like a businessman.
Yeah. Hoon. That's my last name.
Oh, your last name.
Like a rich person.
My
Like a rich person.
You sound like a rich. Oh, yes, you have a bansa. You're very rich.
yeah, that's my last name.
So
Hoon,
you-
Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Hoon. How about your name? What's your name?
My first name is Sutang.
Sutang. Sutang.
Sutang.
Sutang. Is it with the H? Sutang.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I spelled it
Hoon.
right.